Hi dear students, today I will tell you important questions of general knowledge of the world asked in Federal Public Service Commission, Punjab Public Service Commission, Sindh Public Service Commission, UPSC and VAWA of CSS, UPSC, Punjab Public Service Commission, Sindh Public Service Commission and University Admission Test in the world. Number 1. Delhi Sultanate, which is a question of Pakistan study or world history. Delhi Sultanate was established by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1206 or 1206 under the name of Mamluk dynasty. Delhi Sultanate lasted until 1526 and Delhi Sultanate ruled over Indian subcontinent for about 320 years. 5 dynasties of Delhi Sultanate ruled over the Delhi Sultanate. Number 1, the Mamluk dynasty, the Khilji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty, and the last Lodi dynasty. Mughal Empire established in 1526 by Babur by defeating Ibrahim Lodi. Number 2, the Buddhist monastery in Pakistan is in Kohat in Hangu. The Buddhist ruins of Takht Bai and Shahr-e-Bahlul, which are one of the most imposing relics of Buddhism in the Gandhara region of Pakistan. Number 3, Chachnama is a book, was originally written in Persian language. It is oldest source of Sindh up to Multan, written in the 13th century by Ali Kufi to present to governor of Multan Nasiruddin Kabacha. Number 4, the radiant energy of the sun is transmitted in the form of solar energy, which enters our atmosphere as short-wave radiation. Remember, short-wave radiation in the form of ultraviolet rays. Once that gives us sunburn and visible light. A greenish yellow color is seen on a boiled egg is due to the formation of some iron compounds. A Latin word e.g. means for example. Number 7, which country has inaugurated Southeast Asian largest solar power farm? Is Vietnam. Number 8, what are Baltic states? Number 1, Latvia, number 2, Lithuania, and number 3, Estonia. All three tiny states gained independence from Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Number 9, Cyprus dispute started in 1974. Green line is demarcation line between Greek and Turkish Cyprus. And this Cyprus is a island in Mediterranean Sea. 3R Forum. These are 3R means reduce, reuse and recycle in Asia and the Pacific to take initiative to control water, air and land pollution in big cities of Asia. Gaddani beach is located in Balochistan and also there is Gawadar beach. LFO The Legal Framework Order 2002 was issued by former President Pervez Musharraf in August 2002. It provided for the general election of 2002 and the revival of the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan and added numerous amendments to the Constitution. Author of book Shahnama-e-Islam, which is a very famous book, Shahnama-e-Islam, was written by Hafiz Jalandhari. And retirement age of the Supreme Court judge is 65, and of high courts of all provinces of Pakistan are 62 years. Number 15. Digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. The middle part of small intestine is jejunum. The jejunum absorbs most of nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, minerals, proteins and vitamins. The lowest part of intestine is ileum. Number 16. Uncodified constitution means a type of constitution where the fundamental rules often take the form of customs, usage, precedents and variety of statutes and legal instrument. Nickname of IBM is Kendrill, which is in New York. Big Blue is a term used for a blue chip refer to an established, stable and well-organized corporation for economic investment purpose. Number 19. Which month of year can lake a new moon is February. Number 20. Author of the book The Making of Modern Sindh, Social Policy and Change, Hamida Khoro, which contains a study of British administrative policy. Number 21. During Mughal administration, accountant was known as Patwari. Book Ilmul Iqtisad is written by Allama Iqbal. Number 23. When cream is separated from the milk, the density of milk increases. Number 24. Aksai Chin is disputed area between China and India. Sponge, number 25. Sponge is a fungus. Number 26. President of India, Draupadi Murmu, was sworn as India's 15th president. Lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is official residence of President of India. Indian Parliament is bicameral or having two chambers. Number 1. Lok Sabha is lower house like National Assembly or House of Representatives of United States. Second chamber is Rajya Sabha or upper house like Senate of USA, Pakistan, and its members are elected for 6 years. Constitution of India was promulgated on 26 January 1950. It contains 395 articles. Elysee Palace is official residence of French President, like Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is official residence of President of India, or 10th Downing Street is residence, official residence of Prime Minister of Britain, or White House is official residence of President of USA. NACTA, National Counter Terrorism Authority, it is abbreviation of NACTA is abbreviation of National Counter-Terrorism Authority, which was established in 2008. The line of actual control, LAC, is a demarcation line that separates Indian controlled territory from Chinese controlled territory. The length of LAC is 4,057 km long. Passes between Chinese border and border of 3 northern Indian states. In west, Ladakh, Kashmir; in middle, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh; and in eastern part, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. Number 31. Truman Doctrine, 1947. President of USA Harry S. Truman established that United States would provide political, military, and economic assistance to all democratic nations under threat from external or internal authoritarian forces or communism. Number 32. The Padsha Nama, the book Padsha Nama, or in English, Book of Emperors, was written by Abdul Hamid Lahori. Okay, we should keep writing.